Hello everyone, it is your boy Felix, okay, and I'm going to walk you through these tutorials. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well and subscribe, okay. And in these tutorials, I'm going to show you very simple way you can sample a color from your desktop. Simple way you can sample a color from your desktop. Without much ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is get the shape ready or whatever you want to change the color. So I want to change the color of this particular shape. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change this color. So I want to sample it from the desktop, okay. So I want to sample the color from this desktop. So what I'll do is I'll select this one, then I go to the properties. This is the properties. Then I go to the fill. The fill, I can come to this side to sample it. Then you can see that we have this sample cursor here. So what you need to do is you can't just go straight to the desktop and then sample. It will not work. You should also make sure that all layers is selected, okay, so that you can sample it. So in order to sample it, what you need to do is try to sample your canvas or your background first. So I'm trying to sample this, then I will hold it. I will not leave it, okay. You will click and hold the mouse, then drag outside the software, the Photoshop software, then come to your background and then sample the color you want. So I want to sample this color, okay. You can choose any of the colors here, okay. So I want to sample this one, so I'll sample this color, then I'm done. So you can see that I have sampled it. So that is the very simple way you can sample colors in Photoshop from the desktop, okay. Very simple and easy. Thank you for watching and do well to subscribe.